Hello everyone, and welcome to the Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, we'll discuss how to fix the issue of the recycle bin icon disappearing on Windows 11. If your recycle bin is missing from the desktop, you can easily follow these steps to restore it. And now, let's get started. First, open the Settings app, click on Personalization, then select Themes. Scroll down and click on Desktop Icon Settings under the Related Settings section. In the window that opens, check the box for Recycle Bin, click Apply, and then click OK. If the icon still doesn't appear, right-click anywhere on your desktop, go to View, and ensure Show Desktop Icons is selected. This will unhide all desktop icons. I hope this video helped you solve the problem. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Windows tips. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.